back to the Goodnight Show here on Sprout.
Welcome back, Sproutlets.
Look who's here to light the way.
Like a bright comet streaking through the sky.
It's our favorite firefly.
She flies along in the nighttime breeze.
Let's all see what Lucy sees. Let's play Lucy Light the Way.
Oh, I wonder what Lucy's going to show us tonight.
I wonder too, Nina.
Oh, there's an outline of a shape.
I think maybe it's an animal.
Yep, I see 4 legs and a tail. Oh, and wait, listen. I think it's going to make a sound.
Whoa, did you hear that? It was a moo.
I did. So what animal says moo?
A cow.
That's right, a cow. Now let's see what else Lucy sees. Oh, well, this doesn't look like an animal.
Nope. I don't know any animals with tires.
Me neither.
I think it's some kind of car. Or maybe a machine. Or maybe it's both.
Well, let's see. What kind of machine would you find near a place with cows?
I might know. Is it a tractor?
A great guessing, Star. It is a tractor. What does Lucy see now?
It's something square-shaped.
And
And it's made of string. Or is that spaghetti?
I don't think it's spaghetti, Star. It looks to me like something horses eat.
Hay. It's hay.
Right, Star.
Oh, and look, there's a cute little mouse. Hi, little mouse.
So we've seen a cow, a tractor, and a bale of hay.
And a cute little mouse.
Right. So where do you think Lucy is?
Oh, Lucy's on a farm.
Thanks, Luce. That was great.
And thanks for all your excellent guesses, Sproutlets.
Well, Star, do you want to guess which sweet sprout friend is coming up next to play?
Maybe Lucy can give me a hint.
Meet some fun friends who are always ready to play. Bella, Milo, Fizz, and Jake. Together they're the tweens, and they sing, dance, and go on adventures. Their magical clock has many stops, but which one will it be? That's Tweenies. Every day on the Sunny Side Up show at 9 a.m. and always at sproutonline.com.
Simple moments of sprouting every day. This simple moment has been brought to you by Huggies Diapers and Pull-Ups Training Pants.
Come take a walk down Sesame Street,
Come on, everybody!
where you'll meet furry friends,
Super Grover.
Hello there.
Cookie Monster.
learn some new moves, and share laughs all around.
That sounds like fun!
So don't miss a beat. Make your way to Sesame Street. Every day at 1 o'clock here on Sprout.
And now, back to the Goodnight Show here on Sprout.
Hi, Sproutlets. We're sharing a special night talking about parents. And parents in Spanish is padres.
I'm a parent to Little Star. I take very good care of him.
That's exactly what parents do. They take good care of their Sproutlets.
I love getting Little Star ready for bed. I make sure he brushes his teeth and washes his face and puts on his pajamas.
And then what do you do, Star?
I tuck him into bed. And I read him a bedtime story.
Oh, do your parents do that too?
After I give Little Star a hug, I stay up all night in case he wakes up and wants a glass of water.
Oh, I think that's very nice of you, Star. But even parent stars need their sleep. And it is getting late. You know what that means.
Oh, I have to tell you about the things I'm going to do with Little Star tomorrow. First, I'm going to make him a giant pancake. Then I'm going to take him to the aquarium to look at the starfish. It's important that he knows about other kinds of stars. And then what I'm going to do is...
Brush your teeth and wash your face?
Yes, I should set a good example for little Star, yes.
Exactly. And the sooner you start, the sooner you can be tucked in and have sweet dreams about your big day tomorrow with little Star.
All right, I'll get ready for bed. Brush up, brush up, brush up, brush up, brush. Brush, 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 brush. Every tooth, no need to rush. Brush them every night until they're bright. And then you spit. And that's it. Now it's time to wash our face. Rub, scrub, at the sink or in a tub. Soap and water's all it takes, you'll see. And soon you'll be so clean that you will sparkle like me. And that's clean.
Star, you got ready so nicely.
It gets easier the more times I do it.
Oh, good point, Star.
Actually, stars have 5 good points. Get it? I like that joke.
Oh, I think you're getting sleepy, my funny friend. Ready for a good night's rest?
Yeah.
Well, good night and sweet dreams.
Good night, Nina.
And while I'm tucking our sweet friend Star in for a good night's sleep, let's see which Sprout friend is here to play. Lucy, can you help us guess who it is?
Oh, there you are. Come in.
Hello, Kipper.
Hello, Kipper.